Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the Boston Whaler 2018 21 Montauk, the 60th anniversary edition. And as you can see with the 60th anniversary edition, they've changed the design of the Montauk. It was more of a boxy look before, and that was the traditional Whaler look. But what they completely redesigned the hull. It's much more, the lines are much more sleeker. And it's a better running hull than it was before because of the sleekness and the deeper V that it has. It's got the stainless steel insert on the rub rail, which is really offsets everything real nicely. And in the back, we've got the teak, little teak touch on the back, just when you're hopping up from the swim ladder, so that it's real teak. And then we've got the brand new 200 V6 Mercury. The new engines are absolutely phenomenal. They have really stepped it up big time. They use an intrusion system now instead of the old cast components, and it's really lightened the engines quite a bit, which gives you more performance because of the lightweight of the engine. So the boat has trim tabs, and it's just I'll give you the rest of the stuff we got on the boat, but as you can see on the outside, it looks great. Here we are on board the 21 Montauk. Let's start at the back of the boat. As you can see, we've got the standing platform right here, so when you're fishing, it's all non-skid. We have one on port and starboard side with rod holders, two there. And if you're not fishing, they fold up and they look like this here. So very high back, comfortable seats, so two adults can sit back here really comfortably. You've got the speakers out, so you got a really nice sound system. You got two speakers facing forward, and we also have two in the front that I'll show you in a little bit. You've got the low profile chrome plated stainless handrails. Then you've got the live well, large live well, conveniently located right at the back of the boat. Places to keep your knives and some of your hooks and lures right there. Powder coated seat with four launchers in the back. It's a nice high back, very comfortable seat. I got one bolster up, one bolster down. You've got the traditional Whaler steering wheel on it. You've got a GPS, you've got a SmartCraft right here. This is a computer that runs all your information on the boat, all your temperatures and pressures and all that kind of stuff is all in here. And then you've got the same things here. I got all the information, same information that's in here is in here. I've got the Fusion stereo remote control, all your rocker switches right there. Place to charge put your USB, your phone, basically for your sound system to go with the Fusion stereo. Nice digital shifter. Got a rail that goes up around the windshield, which is real convenient for going around and holding on to it as you're moving around the boat. Actually, you have a large area in here. It's kind of like a storage. You could actually put a porta potty down there. You have room for it. So if you did want one, you do have room to put it in there. You've got little teak accents on both sides, port and starboard, which if you're boarding from the side of the boat, nice to have. And then here we've got it's a seat. It's a large Yeti Cooler, and the cooler is not on board right now, but it fits here, and it's one of the big ones. So that acts with a cushion on it, so that's a seat. You can put two people comfortably here. And then it's a little bit different up front. We've got extra rod holders here, and we've got it normally comes with this area in here for cushions. You can put, for a sun pad, that type of thing. And this one has an extension that they added. So now you've got a really large sun pad on the front. So nice feature, nice addition that they added to the boat. Up at the bow, you've got it's set up for a trolling motor, so you've got the connections already there if you want to add a trolling motor to the boat. And it's got non-skid all the way around, so you can actually stand up there and safely fish there. So fantastic 21-foot boat. It's a Boston Whaler. The new design that they did on it has really made a big difference in the way it looks and the way that it runs. And then the new motor on the back is it's so quiet, it doesn't vibrate. They've really just knocked it out of the park. So if you've got any questions on it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.